Good morning, cruisers. Day 3 on Puerto Plata, MSC World America. Look how big their balconies are. Back there. Look at how wide they are. Breakfast is served. So we went ahead and ordered breakfast and it has arrived. Alright, Puerto Plata, here we come. Alright, and just like that we are off the ship. Heading over to Puerto Plata. Massive. Here we are, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. All right. Water spout. Latina. We must have got off the ship a little bit late. It's just 1:15. Notice a lot of people are going back onto the ship. Shark attack. Attack. If you guys want some cigars. Oh, that's nice. Little bar. That's cute, I like that. Yeah, nice little hang out on the hammocks and have a drink. We came at a slow time, huh? Everyone's getting back on the ship. We're getting off the ship.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah.
Or maybe everybody's at the pool.
So, if you don't want to deal with the craziness, we recommend getting off the ship a few hours after everyone has got off, because as you can see, when we were getting off, everyone was getting back on. So we arrived at 9 o'clock, and it's already just after 1. So I would recommend doing that if you don't want to deal with the craziness and the busyness. Oh, that's cool. It's like a sports bar, batting cages. That's pretty cool. Dominican baseball legends. Wow, that's really cool. Look at the kids having fun. Looks like a little kiddie pool slash, I don't know what you want to call that. Oh, I guess we know where everybody's at now. Oh, nice. Oh, I smell leather. Oh, it's right there. Check out this lazy river. Oh, there are the donuts for the lazy river right there. Right there. You know me, there's two things I love. Chocolate and tacos. Too, my love. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little beach. Let's see if there's any hammocks available. Look at all the hammocks. You have to pay for them? Day is over. That was really fun. And there she is. Look at that aft. AFT BAP. Weather was beautiful. Nice little breeze. Not a cloud in sight. Well, maybe a little bit of clouds. But overall, the humidity wasn't too bad. Really nice. She is one big ship. Look at that sexy thing.
You're